Hi people, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Suhenry. Welcome and welcome to Suhenry family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If you've not subscribed, just hit that subscription button just below there. There is a button written subscribe, and next to it there is a bell. That's a notification bell that will always notify you when I upload a new video. So click them so that you can support my channel. Today I'm talking about how to gain weight. Yeah, some people are struggling with gaining weight, others are struggling with losing weight. As for me, I'm struggling with gaining weight. Imagine, I'm struggling here with gaining weight. Okay, people believe like when you want to gain weight, it's easy. Actually, it's not easy. Gaining weight is not easy for everyone, because it depends with your metabolic rate. If you have a high metabolic rate, my friend, increasing your weight will be itakuwa kazi. It will be work for you. You have to work hard for that weight to come. So my friends, today I'm talking about how you can gain that weight that you want in a healthy way, without having big arms, without having tummy, without having, you know, for us ladies, there are those parts that we don't want. So much meat. Yes, so much meat, so much muscles. We don't want so much muscles to some areas. So when you watch this video and you are trying to gain your weight, to add your weight, it will help you to use the ingredients that will help you add weight and add your weight in the right places. Do you realize not only those people with kilo mingi, with a lot of weight, that gets body shaming? Even us skinny people usually get body shaming, and it's not good. Si vizuri. It's not good to body shame someone because of how they look. You may find someone is skinny and you are unapata mtu ni mkonde, unamwambia and you are skinny, na umekonda kwani ukuli? My friend, I do it. Mimi nakulanga sana, only that food inanikata. I have my high metabolic rate. That's why even if I feed my friend, sitanona, and that's me. Chindapo kiniambia I'm skinny, kwanza that word, skinny, don't ever use that word to someone. Ina feelingi vibaya sana. How skinny am I, my friend? So pia sisi watu wakonde, we go through body shaming. So I've decided to come up with a smoothie with a juice that will help us add weight in the right places. So guys, watch the video till the end to know these ingredients and how to make this fine sweet smoothie. Our first ingredient will be bananas. I have a bunch of them. I would advise you to use over-ripened banana because they are more nutritious. Banana is good because it has a lot of carbs and calories that will help you in increasing your weight. Banana also contains potassium that will help in balancing of the electrolytes in your body. So I'm getting the well-ripened ones, so I'm going to use only 2 bananas. I'll peel the bananas and cut them into smaller pieces. The next ingredient will be avocado, a well-ripened avocado. As you can see, it's so nice. It wasn't spoiled inside. It was nice to me. So I'll scoop the avocado and place it to the sliced banana. So avocado provides fat and calories. It's also nutritious because it has vitamins and minerals. Therefore, it's good for gaining weight. So I'll put the banana and the avocado in the blender. Then to the mixture, I'll add yogurt. You can use yogurt of your choice. For me, I'm going to use the Almia, the lemon and biscuit. So yogurt has calories that will help you in adding weight, and also probiotics. Probiotics help in preventing you from infections, so it raises your immunity. I'll put 2 tablespoons. And then to the same mixture, I add honey, natural honey. So for honey, it is quickly digested, therefore it increases the hunger in you. And this makes you feed a lot. It makes you get hungry quickly because the sugar is quickly digested. And the more you feed, the more weight you gain, the more rapid weight you gain. You can use honey of your choice. Then after that, into the same mixture, I will add peanuts. For peanut, you can use the natural nuts or the peanuts. So I'm going to add peanuts. The nut is actually Nutty's peanut. Peanut has high fat content and a lot of calories in it, therefore making it good for improving or gaining the weight. I added 1.5 tablespoons. And then after that, I'll add milk to the mixture. Milk has great amount of calories and proteins. Therefore, it helps in building muscles and gaining weight. So I'll add 1 glass of milk, but for this you can add as much milk as you want. Maybe the smoothie will be thicker than you want, and you want it less thicker, you can add more milk instead of water. I will then blend the mixture together in a blender. The mixture is very thick, but for me I like it when it's that thick. You blend this for 3 to 5 minutes. When serving, you can add some ice cube on your glass and then serve. It's very thick. Ensure that you take this mixture in an empty stomach, either in the morning before your breakfast or in the evening before your dinner. It's very nutritious actually, but only when you are gaining weight. This is not for people who are not gaining weight. So I did this for 1 week and I gained 5 kgs. Before I started this, I was 48.1 kgs and my BMI was 19.7, my height was 156.2. I took this for a week, 1 week. I only added some passion fruit just to spice it up. I could add this passion fruit. and after a week I was able to add 5 kgs. I was 53.1. 53.1. My height remained the same, but my BMI had shoot. I had now a BMI of 21.8. You can see, guys. So when you get your target weight, please stop taking the smoothie. So these were our ingredients for the smoothie. When you get to your desired weight, let's say you wanted to get to 60 kgs, please stop using this smoothie. Stop using the ingredients that we've used in this smoothie, because this will mean you'll continue adding weight. And remember, the only thing that you're adding here is weight. You're adding weight, therefore your BMI is also increasing. When you increase your BMI and your weight, remember, when taking this smoothie, we are not increasing our height, because when calculating the BMI we need the height and the weight. We are only increasing our weight. You can never increase our height. No, that can never happen. So when you get to your desired weight, you should be watchful on your BMI so that you don't become an obese. You understand? So when you get to your desired weight, please. And also when you are getting to this weight, watch your BMI. Let not your BMI exceed 26. Okay, guys? Yeah. So when you realize that your BMI is getting to 25, stop. Don't use this smoothie anymore. Yeah. Stop. Because you'll now struggle losing the weight. You'll be obese. You'll even like, why did I have to use the smoothie? So guys, have cautions when using this smoothie. Don't then overuse it to add more weight. No, add a reasonable weight. Okay, guys, that's why this smoothie is for those who are struggling to add weight. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.